101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. As usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. sharp, we have a special program, namely Smart Up Your Life with BPEC. Hi guys, how are you? Hi, oh my god, yeah, as usually, I'm not alone here. We have a friends from BPEC, of course. Week per week, we have a special topic to discuss. Yeah, oh my god, BPEC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Once again, BPEC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Give it applause for us. Yeah, while we're running our live streaming, of course, in 101.1 Smart FM, of course, we also waiting our friends to join, to join with us to make a complete formation for this evening. And when we talk about our topic tonight, we have a special topic consists of two words. But before I mention that the topic, talking about social media. Indonesia is the one of biggest social media user all of the world. But a lot of or many beneficial advantages and disadvantages can arise about this case. Especially for this night, we will talk about disadvantages. And one of disadvantages of social media is we know about one phenomenon. We call that phenomena is how to say zombie scrolling. Yeah, and the subject is the scroller, right? So talk about our topic. Our topic is a very interesting. The topic is zombie scrolling. Are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Okay, our topic is zombie scrolling. Talk about this topic consists of two words: zombie and scrolling. Okay, I will start from you, Dia. But before I ask you to ask about this topic, maybe you could introduce yourself first, okay, to smart listeners and viewers at home, please.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity has given to me.
Yeah.
So, and good evening, everyone,
Good
and
evening.
also to smart listeners at home. So, please welcome back to Smartfm podcast. And this is me, Dia. And before I say it, I'd like to introduce myself first. So
Okay.
I'm Dia Istiqomah. You may call me Dia or Isti. And now currently
Not
I'm
istiqomah.
just a nickname.
Okay.
Yeah, and now currently I am a student of Polytechnic of Health Makassar and majoring with medical laboratory technology in 6th semester. And now here I am as a speaker at Smartfm podcast, and I'm so lovely to be here.
Okay, and you are the committee 2022, right?
Yeah.
Okay, congratulations for you.
Thank you.
Okay, I keep my question for you.
Yeah.
Okay, next, could you introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners at home and explain what is BPEC itself? Okay, come on.
Okay, thanks for the opportunity.
Yeah.
I'm Nanda Hidayat. You can call me Nanda.
Hi, Nanda.
Currently, I'm the student of University of Islamic Alauddin Makassar. I'm in English Literature department, and now I'm in the 4th semester.
Okay.
Okay.
Could you introduce what is BPEC itself to smart viewers and listeners at home?
Okay, BPEC is one of organization or one of a community, English community in Makassar, and the older community in Makassar maybe.
Yeah, not
Oldest?
maybe, but sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, and in BPEC we learn about English, we discuss about English. So I think we can improve our English in BPEC.
Okay, a lot of items. Could you just mention it? The items of BPEC, what we learn.
Yes.
Yeah.
In BPEC, we also have a lovely Sunday meeting in Sunday. There we have to discuss about an interesting topic.
Enough?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hi, girl. How are you? How
How are you? Oh, yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. It's
Oh my
so
God.
long time.
Okay,
Like,
now you are Angel.
Okay.
Okay, could you introduce yourself to smart listeners and viewers at home?
Hello, guys. My name is Atika Humaira, but everyone call me Tika or Atika or baby sometimes. If you want. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, my name is Atika.
Okay, what period? What period are you?
Please don't talk about period. I would probably be like a granny of the piece, but like no. My first time joining BPEC since 2012, I guess.
Wow.
Yeah, it's been like a very long time, and BPEC is like my home.
It means that you are younger than them.
Yeah, technically, yeah, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, maybe.
Okay.
But yeah, 2012 is like a couple years ago, and yeah, as I say,
where have you been?
I've been everywhere, babe. Trust me.
Okay.
But wherever I go, actually, I'll be back in BPEC.
Okay, thank you. Welcome to our second home.
Thank you.
Smartfm is our second home.
Oh, obviously.
Yeah. Okay, I back to you, Dia. Okay. Consists of two words. Zombie scrolling. Have you heard these terms before?
Yeah, I've been heard about these terms before.
Yeah.
It's namely zombie scrolling,
Yeah.
and it's pattern for the one who always scroll on social media, even all night. I mean, start from before start to sleep, and then boom.
When you hear these terms for the first time?
I actually heard this term
Yesterday?
from I heard from TikTok.
Oh, TikTok.
Yeah, it's FYP in my page.
Oh,
So,
wow.
oh my God, this is something happened, and maybe I felt that that way. I guess.
TikTokers. So, is this important to our to discuss to public about this phenomenon?
Yes, this is. I think this is interesting topic that we have to discuss about, and because this topic. Kinda untold or unfamiliar topic, because this
That's
is
why.
while that it's topic phenomenon in nowadays,
Okay.
even the young age until the older age, and we still didn't realize that it happening with us, and it make big impact on ourselves and our society. So it's important thing to discuss about it.
Okay, agree. Thank you. What about you, Nanda? Have you heard this? When you hear this term?
Before yesterday.
Yesterday. Oh my God, very honest.
Yes,
Yeah.
I heard about zombie scrolling yesterday, but when we heard about zombie
You
scrolling,
get curious.
We know what is zombie scrolling. It is we know like a zombie is a ghost. Ghost is scrolling. So person like ghost scrolling, they don't do their obligation. Like ghosts is just scrolling social media and don't realize their obligation in real life, like that.
Is this important to discuss to public?
Yes, I think it's very important.
Why?
Because we realize that we do zombie scrolling, but we don't compare what is the negative impact of this zombie scrolling.
Okay.
So I think it's important to show to a listener that zombie scrolling have a negative impact.
Ah, nice. You get the essence. Okay. What about you, girl? How do you opinion about this phenomenon?
Zombie scrolling. First thing in my mind, like zombie is like a dead person.
Yeah.
Obviously. And scrolling is like you scroll something from your social media and stuff like that. So you're just like a dead person laying in a bed and scroll something until like from morning to night. It's like a very wasting time.
So
and it will like I've been in that situation for like multiple times in my life, and I try to get up but I relapse again, get up and relapse again, because I thought that that habit is actually affected your mental health, my mental health. This is like that's a personal experience, yeah. But like because social media, there are a lot of things that could affect your mental health issues. Just like for example, like even an example, you see like a lot of girls wearing something good, or they look good or something like that, but then you start comparing to yourself, which is that's one of something that could trigger your mental health issues, stuff like that.
Is this important to discuss, to share to smart listeners?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it is, because right now there's so many people that complain that why do I feel depressed, why I feel anxious, why I feel like stuff like that. It's because you're wasting your time to something that very, very useful, because you just like scroll something, for example TikTok on Instagram or Facebook short.
TikTok,
please.
No, TikTok, yeah.
It's TikTok.
Yeah,
it's TikTok.
Okay.
It's TikTok. Okay, so it's really wasting time. I don't want listeners having that issues in your life, because just enjoy your life. Open the door, go travel, see something. Don't stuck on your phone.
Like when you hear this term.
Pardon?
When you hear this term.
This term?
Yeah.
Well, I actually just. I knew about this for a couple months ago, but about zombie scrolling, I just knew this topic yesterday. Yeah, to be honest. I know all the issues about it.
But the essence you get, actually.
Yeah, I get.
You got the essence, but
true.
About the term is the like, okay, like this, zombie scrolling, and you get the point.
Yeah, I got the point.
So it's a very important.
Yeah, it's share. Because it's also based on my personal experience about it. So it's really, really toxic.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Okay, I'll back to you. While we waiting our friends to join here, it's supposed to be they join with us here, because we have two friends in outside there. Okay. About zombie scrolling. This is the one of negative effect of the social media beside positive, right? So how could it be this happened? Dia, how could it be this happened? In your perspective.
Yeah, in my perspective, it could be happen because we like FOMO, fear of missing out. So we just following our friends. Like if we gathering together, they're just using phone and not talking to each other.
Okay.
And then I feel like I'm not felt here. So I using my phone too to enjoying myself. So why this can happen being syndrome maybe? Because ourselves, if we always get into something we like in ourselves, especially in our brain, make something hormone that is called dopamine hormone. It is hormone about a happy hormone, can always increase if we consume something that we like. So and we don't know how to overcome it.
You did searching. Deep searching about it. Oh my god, it's detail.
Because I'm my background is medical health, so
wow,
I learned from my so I know it. So it's something bad, guys. So yeah, I influence to our listener to overcome and make cut off if we always using phone all day. So
okay, while we're waiting our friends to continue our discussion, stay tuned on Smartfm 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia.